Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Dogecoin in your MetaMask wallet and want to move it over to Gemini for better security or trading options, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest updates to make sure everything goes smoothly. By the end of this video, you'll be withdrawing your Doge like a pro. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the prerequisites sorted. You'll need a MetaMask wallet with Dogecoin added. Remember, Dogecoin isn't natively on Ethereum, so you might have bridged it via a service like a DEX or wrapped token. Also, set up a verified Gemini account and have your withdrawal address ready. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video and get it done now. Step 1. Open your MetaMask app or extension and switch to the network where your Dogecoin is stored. In 2025, look for enhanced interoperability features that make this easier. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough Doge for the transfer fees. Step 2. Head over to your Gemini account on their website or app. Navigate to the deposit section, select Dogecoin, and generate a new deposit address. Copy this address carefully. It's your key to success here. Step 3. Back in MetaMask, go to the Send tab. Paste the Gemini address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Doge you want to withdraw, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check for any gas fees or network costs, which might be lower in 2025 thanks to improved blockchain tech. Once you're happy, hit Confirm, and wait for the transaction to process. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Gemini account for the funds to appear. A quick tip. Always double-check addresses to avoid costly mistakes, and consider using two-factor authentication on both platforms. If you run into issues, like a stuck transaction, reach out to Gemini support or check Blockchain Explorers. There you have it. That's how to withdraw Dogecoin from MetaMask to Gemini in 2025. It's straightforward once you follow these steps, and it puts you in control of your crypto. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.